Team Terrible.
They've been terrible. Helo pawb, croeso i Game a Video. Heddiw, ni nôl ma Sonic Heroes. Ac, ni'n mynd i gwneud y campaign tro yma. So, ni'n mynd i gwneud i gyda Team Dark yn bentaf. So, yeah.
I'm counting on you guys.
Affirmative.
Affirmative. I know Megan really odd.
Oh, beth ydi hyn? Whoa.
My Russian really strong.
A beth ydi e?
Sut wyt ti'n gwybod os mae does dim unrhyw air neu unrhyw beth?
Oh, na.
Mae Megan codi lan i'r sŵn of... I found it! I found Dr. Eggman's treasure.
Yep, mae Eggman wedi trio... Whoa!
Wow! The real explosion cliche.
Whoa! Dwi'n meddwl gwybod bod y Megan yn gallu gwneud hwnna.
Hey, hold up!
Sy'n digwydd gyda'r Megan?
Mae'n really buffed out. Of he ddim even...
Whoa!
Yeah, of Meg wedi creu explosions go iawn.
Okay.
For sealing you in this room. And you
Co-
can't remember
Mae
anything.
ddim yn gallu cofio unrhyw beth.
Then it's settled. Now you two make up so we can start looking for Eggman.
Mae Rudy'n cael elastic arms.
Yep. Mr Tickle.
This makes us a team.
Na, mae ddim. Mae rhoi doiler gyda gilydd ddim yn creu tîm.
Apparently mae yn, yeah.
Get to the Whale Island. Sydd ble?
The Whale Island. Ti'n gwybod Whale Island? Dwi'n gwybod mae fel yn creu... Mae'n pan mae glaw yn cael ei creu.
You two ready?
Yeah. Oh my god! Oedd hyn yn creepy.
Shut up.
Mae Shadow just wedi siarad trwy'r nose e.
Yeah. Oh, dwi'n gallu kinda siarad trwy nose fi. Fel tim bach. Fly on. Speed. Yeah, so beth ydi Omega yn gwneud?
Sideways from here.
Alex, beth sy'n digwydd... Beth sy'n digwydd gyda Omega? Beth ydi Omega... Beth ydi Omega yn actually gwneud?
Ow!
Beth ydi Omega yn actually gwneud?
Mae'n strong.
O, beth mae hwnna'n gwneud?
Come on. I'll pick up from here.
Alex? Mae'n credu bod e fel yn... O ie, mae'n cario ar y dau o'n nhw wedi e.
I'll pick up from here.
Dwi ddim yn credu mae unrhyw beth lan fan'na. Power. Ie, so ni angen troi... Ie, dyna ni. Okay, secret area. Beth sy'n lan fan hyn?
No!
Ie, ti eisiau gallu defnyddio'r shadow i cael draw fan'na.
Natre. Level up.
Ie, mae constantly fel green hill, mushroom hill, seaside hill, emerald hill. Mae constantly fel hill a dechrau o Sonic game.
Oren.
Whoa!
Chaos Blast. Oh, Chaos Control. So, ydy...
Whoa!
Yeah.
So ydi shadow wedi gwneud yna.
I'll pick up from here. Hurrah! Here we go.
Whoa!
Supersonic Speedweed.
Ydi hynna'n Whale Island? Na. Oh, I really should you have the only...
These move. They move when you approach them.
Whoa! Okay. My
I'll pick up from here.
granddaughter Omega, mine actually useful, my Justin.
I'll take it from here.
How many is so mad at a robot Eggman? Whoa, man! It's just a bit good.
Level
good.
up.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Is it the hold on.
The edgiest hedgehog ever is the best.
Nah, my the other edgiest hedgehog ever. My Metal Sonic one. Actually, ydy Metal Sonic mewn y game yma? Fire. Ydy Metal Sonic mewn y game yma? Alex. Ydy
Yeah.
Metal Sonic mewn y game yma?
To Omega.
Oh.
Chaos control.
How many Omega just yn gwneud hynna? Step aside. Whoa. Beth ydy y pill
Show
yma?
on the other side is possible.
Ah!
Press the square button during a jump while in speed formation in order to attack ground enemies with Black Tornado.
Hynna beth
This
sy'n...
attack defeats enemies by swirling them up in the
O, ydy hynna'n beth sy'n digwydd gyda Shadow? Pan mae Shadow yn gwneud tutorial mae fel... Oh, okay, I'm so edgy, I don't want to do the tutorial.
Come on. I'll pick up from here.
Get on with the game.
Hurrah!
Mae'n lot yn digwydd. Actually, mae song am Metal Sonic
How
Dash,
did you
ie.
just swing a pop, man?
Yeah. Fire.
I'll pick up from here. Okay.
Just been tably Shadow up there. Just ignore her there.
Level up.
We...
Lel.
Lel. Ti'n actually still defnyddio'r meme yna. Whoa! Okay, Omega.
I'll pick up from here. Hurrah!
natural.
Hurrah!
Pwy sy'n just wedi dweud hwnna?
Beth?
Hurrah!
Beth yn nhw wedi dweud?
No.
Okay, trophy
Ti
now.
just wedi... Oedd ti wedi dweud stage each.
Oh, yeah. Whoa! Beth ydw i'n gwneud?
But ti maes y man gyda pop hefyd ti.
Yeah. Oh, damn it. Mae un yn brain wedi digwydd. Oh, ni wedi troi mewn i camera mode. Dwi yn trio cael mas. Oh, ti wedi gwneud e? Dyna ni. Ni'n nôl i normal nawr. Mynd gyda Shadow yn mynd. Woo!
This is a job for rules.
Okay.
I'll pick up from here. Hurrah!
Natural.
Hurrah!
Natran.
Whoa!
Okay.
Oh.
Hurrah!
Oh, rwy'n mynd i dweud rhywbeth o'n blwyddyn o beth dwi'n mynd i dweud. Oh yeah, just try
Oh.
many Omega.
I'll pick up from here.
Okay. And
Let's
try.
try going through those 3 giant rings together.
Okay, Shadow. Okay. Whoa. Ti ddim angen smasho nhw. Ond ti'n gallu os ti eisiau. Stop up fan'na. Oh, just about. Dyna ni. Mynd i Shadow nawr a Whoa, dwi'n credu ni wedi arrive at a Whale Island.
Omega, do your thing.
Man, mae Omega just yn smash o popeth. Anaya job. Anaya job. Anaya job.
Step aside. Fire.
Man, mae Omega... Mae llais Omega yn really annoying. Oh, my cannon. Draw fan'na. I cael ei atop.
Come on. What the?
Whoa,
Finally.
okay, beth ydi hwnna? Ti'n dyddio hwnna am? Woo! Whoa! Woo! Whoa.
Minus gravity detected.
Okay. Whoa, how many fel car? How many shadow fel crate car? Ti'n gallu gwneud team blast os ti eisiau mae hynna'n barod eto. Woo! Go! Whoa, ti'n mynd super fast.
Annihilation. Annihilation. Annihilation.
Alex?
Annihilation.
Seams of metal.
I'll eliminate them all. Annihilation.
Whoa.
Step aside.
Alex, ti'n mynd?
Activating balance servos.
Whoa! Mae Shadow really unedgy, ydy e? Alex, mae Shadow really unedgy.
Levels up.
Ti'n gallu smasho y ring?
Now we're going to need special stage. Oh,
Okay.
Cofio Sonic CD.
Yeah.
Ti'n terrible.
Dwi ddim yn terrible.
Beth ydy Rouge yn gwneud I Omega's doelo?
Dim byd.
Score.
I couldn't even beat Gamma or Beta.
Pwy di Gamma ac Beta?
Mae Gamma yn o Sonic Adventure. Look at that.
Beth am Omega? Bloody hell wedi dod o.
See? Bonus challenge.
Oh god, beth ydi yn? Ydi yn fel Chaos Emeralds?
Yeah.
Oes fel Chaos Emerald battle?
Oh, sweet! Sweet lord! Fi ddim yn gwybod am hyn.
Wow! Mega Tunnel. Ha, ti'n mysor I gyd yn nhw. Ti'n mysor fel pob un yn nhw. Ti'n jyst yn dodge mas o ffordd. Beth ydi y pwynt o hyn? Ti angen bod yn am Shadow am hyn, dwi'n credu. Alex. Beth ydi hwnna'n cheese? How many cheese mewn fyna? How many cheese mewn fyna? Whoa. Beth ydi gwneud? Ti jyst fel... Whoa, pam yn ni'n drop o stuff o balloon nhw? Cael I gyd o stuff. Alex, dwi'n actually gallu gwneud really dda i'r pethau fel hyn. Alex! Alex! Alex, dwi'n actually really da hyn. Alex! Alex?
Yeah?
Dwi'n actually really da at stuff fel hyn. Whoa, beth ydi y dots yma'n bod? A beth ydi'n gwneud? Whoa!
Yes!
Ti wedi gwneud e? Beth sy'n digwydd nawr? Beth ti'n gwneud nawr?
Hang
Sy'n
on.
digwydd? Mission clear. O ie, mae hwnna...
Died one-ups. Hey. What?
Beth sy'n digwydd nawr?
Beth am y Chaos Emerald fi?
Ti ddim
O,
wedi
dw-
cael e.
Fi yn?
Blurdiaeth he? Diolch.
Os ti'n cael y
Diolch.
peth, rwy'n gwneud pob special stage.
Dwi eisiau gwneud special stages hefyd. Dwi'n da at stuff fel hwnna.
Hot has it.
Civilization established
No,
as the
see.
Dwi ddim yn da fel... Dwi ddim yn da fel y blue sphere. Ie, so mae fi chwarae'r un bit yma. Oed ti'n gallu gwneud fel robot? Oh yeah, just random questions. Do we would say my Omega and Larva?
The stone door.
Omega, break the door. Whoa! Ydy Annihilation un o'i Fire. Whoa, key! Hwnna'n yr un fi, Alex. Dwi'n...
Woo! Rwy'n gwneud pob special stage o
Na,
heb rwy'n
dwi-
gwybod sut i gwneud e.
Ie, dwi'n gwybod sut i gwneud nhw hefyd, Alex.
Ond,
Dwi'n gwybod dwi'n terrible at bod yn Sonic.
a wyt ti eisiau cael y secret ending?
Ie, dwi eisiau secret. Sut ydw i'n defnyddio hyn?
Hang on.
Dwi'n digwydd. Beth ydw i'n gwneud? Mae'n dweud wrth i fynd i Omega.
Hang on.
Fel yna. Whoa! Sut ydw i'n gwneud? Whoa! Stop that!
Oh.
Annihilation.
Cael mam i'r ring hwnna.
Useless heaps of metal. I'll take it from here.
Whoa, dwi'n gwneud o'r un o'r buttons. Bye bye.
Going up there.
Try going up there. Whoa, mae'n gallu gwneud fel guns. Mae'r entire team yma'n really edgy, ydyn nhw. Well, except for Rouge. Alex, ydy credu bod y team yma'n pretty edgy? Alex, ydy credu bod y... Alex, ydy credu bod y...
The One Ring Challenge.
Now, do we get a 6 rings now? Fire,
Oh.
fire, fire, fire,
Fire, fire.
Whoa.
Come on, hit. Os. Dod fan hyn, rwy'n gwybod sut i gwneud e.
This is great.
Head for a wall using homing attack with Shadow as the leader.
Oh, right, okay.
Shadow.
The X button for triangle jump. Use the
Mewn
left
i'r
and
wow.
right to change the jump angle.
Bye-bye.
Level up.
Level
Just
up.
watch this.
Whoa! Sut i gwneud yna? Whoa.
Hang on. Mynd nôl.
Yeah.
A falle mewn i'r parc a wedyn hit o nhw.
Beth? Oh, hold on. Oh, Omega. Stop. Beth ydyn ni'n gwneud? Ni wedi cael y key yn barod, so dwi'n gallu gwneud y special thing. Sut ydi yn gwneud fel y... Sut ydi yn gyda guns ar y hands a? A pam ydi yn ddim yn gwneud hynna fel pethau fel Sonic vs Speed Battle?
Useless heaps of metal.
I'll eliminate them all.
Alex, beth dwi'n gwneud nawr? Fire. Smash. The edgiest hedgehog.
Hey, where's the turtle going?
Hey, where's the turtle going?
Detective.
How many did fly power up speed run up?
Shadow, try removing the shield on that robot.
Oh, hey, no. Woo!
See? Key.
Level up.
Where's the key drove on hello?
Worthless consumer
Omega. Just cadw fe saf. Peidiwch a bwrw mewn I unrhyw un. Neu jo.
Useless heaps of metal.
I'll eliminate them all.
Whoa, we're kind of close. How many so many edgy characters in Sonic games?
Kill.
I think we've got- that perfect title on our episode. Fire. Subtitles on.
Launcher by pressing the square button while jumping in power formation. Shadow and I are transformed into fireballs that Omega shoots at enemies.
Annihilate. Detonation ready.
Okay, this is enough. Give me back my wings.
Bhí Sonic go last personit I gofyn ti o... Bydd ti'n person ola bhí Sonic I gofyn o harf. Ti'n pob amser yn cochi ei rings.
Pa bit ydw i'n mynd I? Sut ti'n gwneud e? Ti'n jyst yn fel clip o hwnna? Jyst yn hold o hwnna? Oh, maen nhw wedi auto-attack o fe. Whoa, wyt ti'n gweld Rouge wedyn?
Nope.
Oh. Whoa, do you have first person mode? Whoa, mae hwnna'n really glitchy. Die. Wait, ti'n gallu taflu Shadow up pethau?
Affirmative.
Oh, shut up, Omega. My name is really care about Omega. I don't know.
Hey.
We... Okay, dwi'n instantly gallu chwarae game yma eto. Ydyn nhw rhain yn fel classic Sonic neu
Oh yeah,
classic Sonic?
hang on. Race I fi.
Beth dwi'n gwneud?
Bod yn Shadow.
Yeah.
Shad. Home attack man wow. Un o nhw.
Oh, beth sy'n digwydd? Mae ddim yn gadael fi.
Annihilate.
Naturally.
Whee! Come on, click on A. Whee! We're ready, cow.
Why don't we try up there?
Why don't we try it there with our obvious string? Oh, yeah.
Oh, Redig Knoll. Redig Knoll.
Coming this way.
Diolch, Alex. Ti wedi dweud Redig Knoll.
Redig o
Shadow,
all
Shadow,
there.
Shadow, Shadow, Shadow. Oh man, did horrible.
Why don't we try up there?
So, okay, so hi, Peter Anton at Get Ahead. Yang in Min now, man. So, Troll.
Master.
Only got
Bloody Omega wedi mynd. Oh, hello.
Things just got
Oh
a little
no.
more
Oh!
Ah!
Whoa!
Oh my god!
My Shadow was so edgy. My dream with this just got a little more interesting. Why don't Craig Guido have weird sounds in the subtitles? Okay, ac hwnna ni gyd o'r amser ni gyda heddiw. So, fel arfer, os ti eisiau cael theme teams, roi nhw lawr yn y comments o dan, ac bydd ni'n gwneud fideo arno hwnna gyda'r action race. So, yeah, os ydych chi eisiau hwnna, mae hwnna'n ffain. So, hwyl fawr, gweld chi tro nesaf.